For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The World Health Organization has warned of a worse phase of the pandemic in the coming days. WHO Chief Tedros Adhanom warned that world governments are headed towards the wrong direction. The WHO said coronavirus should be considered the world's greatest enemy.
Let me be blunt. Too many countries are headed in the wrong direction. The virus remains public enemy number one. But the actions of many governments and people do not reflect of this. The only aim of the virus is to find people to infect.
The WHO chief said if governments don't communicate well with citizens, the pandemic could turn out to be a disaster. WHO has issued a stern warning to the public to adhere to all safety norms.
If governments do not clearly communicate with their citizens and roll out a comprehensive strategy focused on suppressing transmission and saving lives, if populations do not follow the basic public health principles of physical distancing, hand washing, wearing masks, coughing etiquette, and staying at home when sick, if the basics aren't followed, there is only one way this pandemic is going to go. It's going to get worse and worse and worse.
The Global Health Front said there would be no return to the old normal anytime soon.
There will be no return to the old normal for the foreseeable future. I repeat, there will be no return to the old normal for the foreseeable future. But there is a roadmap to a situation where we can control the disease and get on with our lives.
The WHO chief said the epicenter of the virus is America, as they have contributed more than half of the COVID-19 cases in the world. WHO has warned some countries of their way out of lockdowns as they were not following guidelines to reduce transmission. The WHO chief, however, brought in some hope, saying it was never too late to bring explosive transmission under control. Meanwhile, WHO Emergencies Director Michael Ryan said it was not known whether recovered COVID-19 patients can get infected again. The novel coronavirus has killed nearly 570,000 people worldwide. The COVID-19 pandemic has infected more than 12.9 million people.